Hello CMCS, I'm Emily Shugart.
I'm Cameron Mayer.
And I'm Phoenix McGahee, and this is the CMCS News Update.
Our top story this morning, aliens in a spacecraft from a distant galaxy landed on the upper yard, sending shockwaves throughout...
Hey, did you guys hear about the talent show?
Yeah, but can we get back to the aliens?
Yes, it was revealed that several key CMCS personnel had in fact been replaced by alien counterparts, including teachers such as...
Yeah, but when's the talent show gonna be?
Cameron, did you actually hear what Emily said about the aliens?
Oh, sure. I just want to hear about the talent show. I mean, aliens is cool and all, but is it really a surprise? And if it's not a surprise, is it really news?
She does have a point.
True.
But the talent show, making a comeback after last year's cancellation, that is big news.
Okay, you're right. The CMCS talent show is back, and this year it's streaming.
You can catch the whole thing on Friday, May 14th at 5:30 p.m. So be sure to join in the live chat during the watch party and support your fellow students.
Now, I'm being told we're out of time, so we'll get back to the whole alien invasion staff replacement thing on our next episode. Until then, I'm Emily Shugart.
I'm excited about the talent show.
And I'm Phoenix McGahee reporting for CMCS News.